token engineers present the VAT refund token. VAT, or value-added tax, is a percentage that is added to the price of a product. As a business, you charge VAT to your customer and you pay VAT to your supplier. At the end of the reporting period, you pay the difference to the tax office, or if you sold less than you bought, you can have VAT refunded. VAT is seen as fair because it distributes taxation over the entire supply chain, but it's a lot of administration. Fraud occurs when no VAT is paid for goods that are imported, but still is charged when those goods are sold. This is a so-called missing trader fraud. Refund tokens make VAT reporting real-time, auditing becomes easier, and they prevent fraud. When a business sends an invoice, the invoicing software registers a fingerprint of that invoice in a blockchain transaction. The transaction itself transfers refund tokens to the customer's wallet in an amount equal to the applied VAT. The company that gets the invoice checks whether the tokens have arrived to make sure the invoice is not fraudulent, and it only then pays the invoice. This company will now send the VAT refund tokens along with their own invoices, or they use it to get an automated VAT refund at the tax office. The VAT refund tokens are created by the tax office on the blockchain. They are acquired by invoice-sending businesses and transferred from business to business. They end up at the end consumer where they expire, thus creating a net tax income over the entire supply chain. The blockchain ensures a secure flow where no tax fraud is possible. We have implemented the process where a business acquires initial refund tokens at the tax office. All participants in the system can verify all transactions on a blockchain explorer. However, the technology chosen assures that businesses maintain confidentiality to each other because addresses are single use. The registration of an invoice on the blockchain and the transfer in that same transaction of VAT tokens to the customer can be built in any invoicing software. Here, we use the API of a well-known invoicing platform. The customer can use the VAT tokens to send invoices in their turn, or their accounting software can apply for an automatic refund by using the tax office API. For the scenario with a customer with only a mailing address, we built a mobile app that sweeps the VAT tokens from a QR code. The implementation we have chosen now builds on proven technology, and it allows for a gradual transition. But other blockchain technologies are evolving to provide a similar degree of confidentiality, and we envision more advanced scenarios powered by smart contracts. Thank you for your attention. We wish you a lot of inspiration at the World Government Summit.